Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So for today's episode guys, I'm super excited because I'm going to share to you the most affordable Christian Dior bags. I will be including bags, micro bags, and SLGs. Guys, I promise you, we have a great selection. So before you make another Dior purchase, make sure you watch the entire episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing family by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our luxury addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/RAMIROFY so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so the bags that I will be sharing to you would be under 2,000 USD. You heard it right guys, so I have researched and I will be sharing to you the most affordable Christian Dior bags, but please take note that the prices that I will be sharing to you would be before taxes. I have checked all the prices at Dior.com. Good news is I will be linking everything here guys. All the links from all the items that you are going to see here would be present on the description box below. I'm super excited to be sharing this to you guys, and thank you to all of you who answered our poll in the community forum where I asked you what luxury brand you would like to see next, and everyone's answer would be Christian Dior. So let us begin.
Alright, so for top 28, I added this one guys. It's just a little bit over our 2,000 budget. So this is the saddle pouch, and the material is in the blue Dior Oblique jacquard. I added this here because this looks a really nice wallet on chain. It comes with that very beautiful gold hardware detachable chain shoulder strap. It also comes with the big Dior D logo. You could carry it as a clutch like this. So beautiful guys. Next, top 27, price at 2,100 USD. This is the Lady Dior pouch, and the material is gray patent Canage calfskin. So there is the reference number guys. Just take a screenshot. So again, this is made of 100% genuine leather. Very good wallet on chain. The classic Canage quilting. I love this one guys. It's like the Felicie pochette of Louis Vuitton, as you could see here. And then we have top 26. Now we are at our 2,000 budget, the 2-in-1 30 Montaigne pouch in black grain calfskin leather. I love the huge Christian Dior logo. It can also be worn, so like it is said, 2-in-1 can be worn as a shoulder bag and as a belt bag, just like this. Plus again guys, it's black grain calfskin leather. It's such a win-win if you are going to add this to your collection. As you can see, it's very spacious. Definitely I feel it would fit most of the phones that we have right now. Then top 25, 1,950 USD. Guys, I super love this one. This is the first time that I'm seeing this. This is the Dior Caro zip pouch with chain. I think this is the much better and upgraded version of the Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch. The material is in the gray supple Canage calfskin. As you can see here guys, it already comes with the shoulder strap. I love the shoulder strap, the chain link shoulder strap of Dior. It's very Dior. It's very their signature. As you can see here, you could wear this already as a shoulder bag. I super love this one. Next, top 24, price at 1,900 USD, the Micro Lady Dior Vanity case in the cloud blue Canage lambskin. This one guys, it's super beautiful and definitely super cute. I've tried this one personally at our local Dior store. The only con of this one, definitely it doesn't fit your phone, but it's super cute. If I don't have any issue with my budget, definitely I would add it to my collection. Top 23, price at 1,750 USD, the Dior Caro belt pouch with chain. So as you can see here, it's classic Dior with the Canage diamond or Canage quilt with the Christian Dior logo. It can be worn as a shoulder bag and as a belt bag. Super nice. Top 22, price at 1,600 USD, the Dior travel kit in the blue Dior Oblique jacquard. So this one, it's more of a clutch bag or as a pouch. But what I love here, guys, you are going to see that it comes with 4 accessories. Super nice. I think the 1600 is really worth the money. Top 21, price at 1600 USD. The saddle slim pouch in the great Dior Oblique embroidery. So again, a very beautiful wallet on chain, so you could wear it as a shoulder bag, and I believe you could also wear this one as a belt bag. Super nice. I love, of course, the Dior Oblique embroidery and the large Dior logo in front. Top 20, 1600 USD saddle slim pouch. It's the same one from our top 21, but this one, it's made in the blue Dior Oblique embroidery. So if you are a fan of the more classic Dior Oblique print, then definitely you could go for this one. Only for 1600 USD, could be worn as a shoulder bag and as a belt bag as well. Top 19, 1600 USD saddle wallet. This one, it's made of 100% genuine black ultra matte calf skin, as you could see here. Very nice wallet on chain, can be worn again as a shoulder bag and as a belt bag or a bum bag. I love the, I'm not really sure if I'm a fan of the ultra matte, because I've been hearing that ultra matte sometimes the hardware would chip off. Next, top 18, price only at 1400 USD. This one, guys, the large Dior Caro daily pouch in blue patent Canage calf skin. Again, another version of the Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch. I super love this one. So again, you could carry this as a clutch bag. So if it doesn't come with the D-ring on the side, then definitely I feel you could purchase the insert and transform this one as a shoulder bag. Top 17, price at 1400 USD. The saddle wallet in all genuine black goatskin leather. So this one, again, super love that we are able to include a genuine leather on our top 25 list. A good wallet on chain, can be worn as a shoulder bag and as a belt bag as well. Top 16, price at 1400 USD saddle wallet. Again, this one, the difference is this is made with the black grain calf skin. Basically, it's the same wallet on chain, can be worn shoulder bag and as a belt bag. Definitely, I feel it could fit most of the phones that we have. A great size. You could detach the chain, carry it as a clutch, use it as a wallet, use it as wallet on chain, and it comes with the insert as well. Top 15, price at 1400 USD. Again, another saddle wallet option. Now this time in the blue Dior Oblique jacquard material. Again, can be worn as a shoulder bag, as a belt bag, and it comes with the insert. Super love this one. So if you're not a fan of the Felici, perhaps you could choose the Dior saddle wallet. Super nice. Top 14, price at 1,350 USD. Dior Caro phone holder with chain. So again, made in the black Sopok Canage calf skin. So this one definitely is more of a phone holder, but it comes with a chain, so you could sling this one. I think you could detach the chain here and maybe style it up with a chunky chain for an added style. Super like this one, would want to see this in person as well. Top 13, 1350 USD, the Dior Caro beauty pouch. So again, material is in the black Canage lambskin. Super nice if you would want to maybe use it as a clutch bag, or again, use it as a cosmetic pouch. Very beautiful because again, made with the black Canage lambskin leather. Love the gold Christian Dior logo here. Super nice. Top 12, price at 1300 USD, saddle belt pouch. In this one, the material is the blue Dior Oblique jacquard. So again, can be worn as a belt bag, and I believe you could also wear this one as a shoulder bag. Unfortunately, the strap is a little bit shorter compared to the previous selection we had earlier. But again, a beautiful addition to your collection if you want to start your Dior bag collection. Top 11, 1300. The only difference of this saddle belt pouch, again, this is made of 100% leather, which is the black grain calfskin leather. Green calfskin I super love because it's very durable. So as you can see here, you could wear it as a belt bag. Nice gold Dior hardware here. Super nice. Next is top 10, price at 1300 USD. The large Dior Vibe daily pouch in the blue calfskin leather. Nice large Christian Dior logo in front. If you are like me who loves our logo, then definitely this is a nice clutch bag to add to your collection. Made with 100% leather with a nice, logo in front. Top 9, so price at 1,150 US dollar. The DIORTRAVEL multifunctional pouch, blue. Guys, I'm not sure how to pronounce that one, so it's in the technical fabric. This one I've tried at the Dior store. It's super nice because definitely you could detach the pieces, carry it individually, or carry them together, as you can see here. Top 8, OMG, 1150 USD, the 30 Montaigne Nano pouch in the blue Dior Oblique jacquard material. So this one is a smaller card holder. Again, I've tried this at our Dior store. I think what I've tried is the leather version, but the Dior Oblique jacquard is also a cute addition to your collection. Nice logo here. Top 7, 1150 USD, the Lady Dior phone holder in the cloud blue Canage lambskin. Again, another phone holder option, but as you could see here, the inside you could slip in your credit cards. It comes with the detachable shoulder strap, and it comes also with the Dior charms, just like with the Lady Dior. Top 6, 1150 USD. So again, 30 Montaigne phone holder, but this time comes in the blue Dior Oblique jacquard material. So same option, comes with the shoulder strap, it comes with the card inserts inside, and definitely could fit your phone. Top 5, guys, OMG, only price at 800 USD, the Saddle Nano pouch in the blue Dior Oblique jacquard material. So this one now also comes with the detachable chain link. Could use this one as a card holder, and then you could use this one as an accessory as well. Super nice and super cute and super price friendly. Top 4, 780 USD, the DIORTRAVEL pouch in pink technical fabric with the, again, I don't know how to pronounce that one. So comes with the drawstring closure and with the one wristlet on one side. I feel that you could detach the wristlet and attach a shoulder strap so you could crossbody this pouch. Top 3, 740 USD, the detachable Dior Caro coin purse. The material is the black supple Canage calfskin. Super cute. Maybe you could add again a smaller chain link here, and you could wear this maybe as a necklace or as a super micro crossbody bag. Super nice. And now for top 2, price only at 670 USD, 30 Montaigne beauty pouch. OMG, this looks really, really nice, guys. I'm actually thinking if there's an option we could transform this as a shoulder bag. I haven't seen anyone done that yet here in YouTube. Maybe if I could see this in person, I could check maybe if we could do something about it. Next, top 1, only 630 USD, the DIORTRAVEL zip pouch in the, again, the, I don't know how to pronounce it, in the technical fabric. So this one, guys, super cute if you're looking for a very price friendly Christian Dior pouch. Super nice.
There, how did you like our episode for today? So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this one and found it very, very informative. So hopefully you've taken the screenshots. Again guys, the link for all of the items that I've mentioned and shared to you here are on the description box below. So what do you think guys? Let's have a conversation and would love to hear your thoughts among the selection that I've shown you, which one you are going to add to your collection. Again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our Luxury Addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/RAMIROFY so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again guys, a million thank yous for staying with me in this episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please do stay safe and I will see everyone soon. Bye!